Welcome to the middle of Chapter 5 readiness check. Okay, so Chapter 5, polynomials. What have we done so far? We've gone over our rules of exponents, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, and power to a power. And we've multiplied binomials using either FOIL, double distributive property, monkey face, and we looked for things like difference of squares, where that middle term cancels out. And lastly, we divided by monomials and binomials. With monomials, we broke it apart, and when we had a binomial in the denominator, we used either long division or synthetic division. Okay, the basics. Can you define and give examples of a monomial, binomial, and trinomial? Zero power. Any number or variable raised to the zero power has what value? Negative exponents. How can we rewrite an expression without negative exponents? All four operations. How do we add, subtract, multiply, and divide two exponential expressions? Power to a power. What happens when we raise an exponent to an exponent? Multiplying binomials. Which of these will result in the middle terms canceling out? Yep, that middle one. It's the difference of squares. What about this one? Will the middle terms cancel out here? Nope, there's a middle term. Do not make this mistake on the test. Division. How do we divide a polynomial by a monomial? Break it apart. What are the two methods for dividing a polynomial by a binomial? Notice the binomial denominator. That's your clue. I'm giving it away. How can we use long division to divide polynomials? And will synthetic division also work? Okay, so if we did this problem using either long division or synthetic division, how can we check if we are right? That's right, we could use monkey face, or we could use double distributive property, or however you want to call it. But in this case, we would multiply in order to see if we come out with our original expression. And that's it. That's all there is to the first half of Chapter 5. If you were able to answer all these questions and do all these problems without any trouble, you're in great shape. Good luck!